Hello everyone, my name is JSRP and you're watching Kalaakaar Makerspace videos. This is the second video for the February month of this year, and this is for our question answer section. We have a list of questions in front of us, and we have Jyoti Tiwari with us,
Hi.
who takes care of Kalaakaar Makerspace right now, and she's going to ask the questions while I will be able to answer as much as possible.
Okay. So after going through our CNC router video, Nikhil Muchandi has asked a question, which is many of them have suggested that he should not go with TB6600 because it doesn't work properly after some time. Did you get any problem with TB6600?
I think this is again regarding the Arduino build that I made for the smaller size CNC machine. It worked out fine for me. There are two variants available in TB6600. One is a 4 ampere one and one is a 5.2 ampere one. We use the 5.2 ampere one, and it is a little bit costlier also. But we suggested 4 ampere one to our clients also, and there was no problem. So you can go ahead, whatever you get, 5.2 amperes or the 4 ampere one. Both of them works better.
So the next question is from Mr. Ajay Gupta, and this is regarding the injection molding. So his question is that which material he should be using and from where he can buy it.
Okay, so actually we have two questions. One is from Ajay Gupta and one is from Suraj Sahu.
Yeah.
Both of them are regarding the injection molding machine. There are many other people also who ask about injection molding machine. The injection molding machine that we used is a manual one, and because of that the parts that are available right now is very difficult. I am from Pune, and luckily I was able to get one from Nisha Polymers. I don't know if I'm telling the address correct, so I will display Google Map information over here. There will be a phone number also which I'll display at the bottom. Please call them and you will be able to get the materials from them.
This is not a question, but it's a feedback from Mr. Jay Sudarshan. He has seen our Chandelier video and he says that
this Chandelier video was released last week, and this was more of a DIY video. Many people who ask for a DIY video, I think you will like it. So please go ahead and take a look. जो मंदिर का डिज़ाइन हम बनाते हैं वो उसमें से वो निकलता है, and we keep on throwing them off. So what best using that, and the chandelier was a good idea.
So he has seen both the chandeliers that you made, the white one and the black one, and also you had asked the question that give a feedback guys, which one did you like. So his feedback is that he has liked the white one and it is more attractive.
I think many people have commented on that video that the white one only is much better than the black one.
Yes.
And personally for me also the white one is much better.
Yeah, so and there's another feedback after seeing our CNC router video, and it is from some other dude. He says it's
His
a
name
great
is actually
video.
is some other dude. Nice name.
Yeah. He has mentioned that the video that you uploaded was a great one, and thank you Kalaakaar, whoever you are. Okay.
Kalaakaar means artist in Hindi. I said
yes,
it right.
absolutely, you're right.
Okay.
So he says that the video which you uploaded is very informative, not too long, just great. He's a tech ED teacher in Connecticut, USA. He has learned a lot about CNC to teach design students, and it's taken off him as a personal hobby now. At the moment, he's trying to make several very old lathes become CNC lathes, and the choices are truly dazzling, as this is what he says, and you can go with computer, without, etc, etc, etc.
The whole reason I actually built a CNC machine was, at that time I did not have the money to buy a bigger CNC machine. Even right now I do not have the money. It was still a loan that we took to get the CNC machine. I'm still paying for that. But soon I understood that buying a CNC machine is much better, because I wanted a CNC machine to make products, but then we eventually, because of the money constraint, we go ahead and keep making CNC machines and perfecting.
Right.
It almost becomes like reinventing the wheel. A machine is already available there. Your job is to make products out of it. Your job is not to make a CNC machine.
Correct.
And we get inside this vicious circle. Smaller machines, all those things are perfectly fine to try to replicate. For example, my disc sander, 12-inch disc sander which I made, that has gone really good on YouTube. Many people are liking the video. That machine is not available readily in India, so it is okay to make that. But making a CNC machine, although it's become a hobby for many people, the precision is a problem.
Yeah.
The components is a problem, and then we totally forget why we actually started doing this entire process of building a CNC machines to build products.
So next question is from Mr. Funny Kumar. He has seen our CNC router machine, and okay, sorry, it's not a question. It's actually again a feedback. He's jealous of the beast which we have, and his question is that can you suggest a desktop CNC that's built good? As I'm assuming most of your viewers are DIY crowd and don't need such a large machine.
I started learning about CNC machines. Everybody must have heard about this name called as Open Builds. It's a community who, just like RepRap community who developed the 3D printers, Open Builds is a community who build CNC machines, and they have come out with many machines. The previous Arduino based machine which I made was also Open Builds machine. It's called as a C-beam machine because it has a C shape of extrusion. Similarly, there are other many designs. There is WorkBee, there is many names. I'll put a link in the screen and you can take a look at that. So there is this company from India, it's called as 3D Printronics. They are based out of Delhi. They are the person who are actually building the Open Builds, and they have been doing it quite successful. I spoke to them and they have an FAQ page where they have answered a lot of questions about what this machine can do and what's the bed size and all those information. So that link also I'll just display on the screen right now. Please go ahead and take a look. Having a CNC machine has opened up a lot of avenues for us, and I hope it does the same for you all as well.
So the next question is from Mr. Akbar Sharif. He has again seen our CNC router video, and the question is, can you please help me to build a 3D carving CNC?
Any CNC machine which actually has a Z-axis is a 3D carving CNC machine, because the C has to go up and down where the X and Y takes you back through the plane, and that's how a 3D carving is done. Fourth axis comes when you have a piece of log in the CNC machine which turns, and the Z axis also moves, the X and Y also moves. That becomes as a 4-axis machine. So we do not build 3D CNC machines, or any CNC machine for that matter. Please contact 3D Printronics and they will be able to help you. And by the way, this is not a sponsored message. They did not pay me to tell you this. It's just that I thought they are good and it might help you as well.
Let's move on to the next question. Liam Static has asked that how much does it cost? So basically he has seen our NeoPixel name board and he wants to know the cost about it.
I think this was done in 2019, and this video is catching up right now. Many people are actually seeing this video. NeoPixel is the name given by the company Adafruit, but it's actually a WS2812B LEDs strung in a wire, and we did that with 4mm MDF, and we placed the LEDs at 2 inches boxes, and then we covered it with an acrylic sheet. I'll put a link on the top right corner. You can take a look at that video. The LEDs cost around 750 rupees. That's 7 rupees 50 paisa per LED, and the controller cost 2100 at that point of time, but right now the prices have definitely come down. If you're going to build this on your own, it will cost somewhere around 7000 to 8000 rupees to build that. Just don't put your WS2812B LEDs on a 12 volt power supply. This entire system runs on a 5 volt.
So the next question is from Deepika Balsara. She's looking for the video. It is neon name sign. Kindly share that video too, please.
I think it's one of my favorite quote that I have done. It's just right in front of my eyes. It's thoda aur काम करो, थोड़ा और पैसा कमाओ, थोड़ा और सो नींद हो जाए. This is called as neon LED, and it is available in our store. You can go to kalaakaar.in/marketplace and buy it. It comes in various different colors. If you want the board to be built by us, yes, we can do it for you, but first you have to give us the dimensions, the number of characters, and what color you want, and do you want it to be animated or static. All this information is required. I think we are done with the questions for this week, and I hope this is not a long session. I try to keep this question and the session really small and really fast, so that I'm able to answer those questions personally. And thank you, Jyoti, for joining this time.
Most welcome.
From next time, I hope she will be able to go through the YouTube comments and take more questions, so that we can answer them fast and get more people answered.
Sure, I'll do that.
This is not our Friday video. We will be having a Friday project video as well. So please do check our channel every Friday for a project video. In the middle, we will try to keep uploading some live sessions and question answer sessions in the middle of the week. Thank you for sticking till the end of this video. I hope to see you in the next project video. Until next time, happy learning. You are supposed to say until next time, happy learning together.
Yeah,
Anyway.
I'm going to last my clicker. Can we do that thing again? No.
I think it's okay.
Okay.